Name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start, format it.
The state of WOM right now is that a lot of people are actually doing programs that they have gotten a lot of experience over the past couple of years, which is great. So what's happening is people are coming back to WOMA with tangible, practical experiences and insights, and they're completely willing to share them. So you have brands like Dell and Intel and Kraft and P&G and Unilever. Intuit is here.
We paired up with a pro skateboarder who does these incredible things with ping pongs, bouncing them all over the place. So we did this kind of quick and dirty video, and we had great results.
Yeah, you can quickly push out media on one of these platforms, but the bigger step is, are you going to actually, instead of just leaving it and walking away, are you going to engage in those conversations? I'd say most companies aren't prepared for that, and the ones that are the ones that seem to stand out.
My team reaches out on the internet and helps people in need, and we do it in many places, Twitter being one of the ones that are more well known, and that assistance really goes a long way and has created a lot of positive buzz on the internet and truthfully off the internet too.
You know, it's tough. We're all really hurt by the economy, right? And some people are hurt a lot. But it's actually created a great opportunity for word-of-mouth marketing because it actually is a very efficient way to both build brand and drive action.
This conference has clearly exceeded my expectations. It's given me some language to formulate for senior management to talk to them about the things that are important to them. Business objectives, bottom line, and a soft economy are key. It's worth being a member, it's worth being involved. This is my first WOMA event, but not my last.
I have never been at a conference where I got to ride in the Wienermobile. This was just fantastic.
No, it was Franktastic.
Fantastic, that's right.
What's coming up next is WOM University. Okay, it'll be this spring. It's all about training, sharing best practices, small groups, roundtables. Brands meet with brands. People who have an interest in communities meet with community people. We had a great one last year. It's going to be even better this year. A lot more brands involved than ever before.